Arab International Schools will be implementing digital learning by using Zoom, which is available on all types of phone, tablet and computer, including Macintosh. Getting access to the digital classroom is easy. You start by downloading your weekly plan in the normal way. In the weekly plan, you'll find links to the Zoom rooms. When you click on those links, Zoom will open if it's installed and take you to the classroom. If clicking on the link doesn't work, you can always copy it and paste it into your browser window. If Zoom is already installed, you will enter Zoom automatically. Type your name so your teacher knows who you are. In the lesson, you can interact with your teacher just as in a normal lesson. You can open the chat box and answer questions, like here. Let's answer with C. You can use your mic if your teacher allows you to, and you can request permission for that by raising your hand, by clicking here. You can even use Zoom on a mobile phone. It's pretty much the same, raising the hand and using the chat box just as you did on the computer. If you have any questions about anything in this video, get in touch with the school administration or one of your teachers and they'll be more than happy to help.